How to remove or turn off ads from your Snapchat app. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Snapchat app, so make sure that you go to this page too. You have to go to your profile and from here you have to click on settings, and it is the gear from the right top corner, so make sure to click that. And after you have to scroll down, and at Who Can section at the bottom, you will see Ads option. So click on this one. And here, the first option, you will see Ad Preferences. So click on that. And here you have to disable all those three options. Disable the first one, and the second one, and the third one. So after that, you should not have problems with ads anymore, so you can go and check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.